Alright, here's the canal. Connected, built in the 1820s, 1840s. It probably was lined with stone originally. People seem to have taken most of the stone. And here's one of the locks. This canal was pretty much shut down after there was a major flood in, I think, 1914. But these are a recreation of two of the flood doors. You can see where there's a big bar to close them and a pivot point. And then you put your boat in here. This has been redone with cement. The original lock, I'm sure, was limestone blocks that I see all over the place. And you come over to here, and there's actually a big change in water level. Here you can see the two bars, and the water pressure is holding these two doors shut with the giant pivot points that they have, held in with wrought iron bars and a giant post. I wouldn't think that would actually be strong enough for all that water. Let's come around here. Big tree trunk. Here's some limestone blocks. Here's a part of the original lock. Maybe they didn't line the whole river, maybe they just lined blocks with it. Part of it's cement. And the water, the water's draining through the door and up underneath the door and welling up. The door's holding back most of it, but there's little leaks. See it welling up there, and there it goes on down the canal. But probably about, my guess is 6 feet, 8 feet. These doors that are holding it, it's amazing that this little bit of wood, I mean, these are big beams, but still, that's a tremendous amount of water. Water's at 10 pounds a gallon and 20 pounds a square foot or something. So there's one of the locks. And then they would close that door when a boat came in. That would block it there. Then they'd open this door. And as they open it, the water level would go down and the canal boat would go down to the next step. And then when it got through, and here's partially cement right here. Wood, partially cement and limestone there, but here you can see the original limestone. There's even, look at this here. This original limestone blocks have some kind of hole where it looks like maybe this cement over here. So one side is original limestone, the other side is cement. It looks like this is maybe where they had the straps holding the lock in place way at the end. And now we've moved it over to here, where they have wood against wood and a round pillar and two bars that are cemented and held in. You can see where it's bent around here. This actually looks like maybe wrought iron even. Maybe this is a World War I kind of a thing. I don't know. But it's got sinews in the steel, so it looks like wrought iron the way it's rusted, with like stringiness going in, and that's only wrought iron does that. This is the way it's rolled and stuff. Modern steel basically doesn't have hardly any. Had some quality of that. And here's the rest of the lock. Now you carry your way on down the rest of the Cuyahoga or whatever river it is and work your way across the country from the highland to the lowland. And if you want to go the opposite way, well, you can. You just got to get some mules to pull your canal boat in the opposite direction. And here's the little toll house that you have. You load and unload your canal boat and pay your money to somebody.